Welcome back to the channel. Now I have to take some service work on my our Toyota Aygo 1 liter 3-cylinder, also sold as Peugeot and Citroën. Was it Peugeot 1007 or C1 Citroën? I have to check, I don't remember it now. But this is the new facelifted first generation with LED lights. So you have to, I think, starting by changing the air filter on the engine, because that one was not nice. So you can do that first now. I was ordering parts on eBay from England. It was cheap and a service set, and waited for many weeks and it never come. So then I ended up, I had to go to Bildilla, which is a Swedish company here selling parts in Norway. So Bildilla was coming to my rescue. It was a little more expensive, but at least I got what I needed. So just starting. Now it'd be interesting to see if I need some tools to take out the filter. I don't think so. As I was seeing here now, I cleaned off the car before I started, because it's been just standing for a while and was dirty, dusty and dirty, so I just cleaned it off first. It's much nicer to work with. And also earlier one day here, I was cleaning off the engine bay. Just wash it down with the same soap as I use outside on the car, because it was very dirty. But here you see I messed up a little. Not the best cleaning I see, but at least here's the air intake. So the filter had to be, I think, here. Let's open this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like we should take off everything here. And the back is hanging over the system. See, also the spark plugs are under here. So you see the filter lying up here. This one is dirty. This car haven't run more than 47,000 kilometers, so maybe this is the filter that was in it when there was new. Just putting a new one. It's very easy. Yeah, just put in. After that, it's just moving the filter box back here. Let's see, we have to hit these clips there, and the part here down there. Put back the clip, and then it's just closing one up here. Then is the two other ones on this side. See, a new filter now is building up. Then on the front. There. Very, very, very simple. If you can open the front of the car to get into it, you should be able to change this one. And I can guarantee the dirty one like this and the new one, it's much easier for the car to get in fresh air to the engine. So it should be easier for the engine to go and use a little less gasoline. Or you can say this car is not using much gasoline. It's a 1 liter 3-cylinder. It's the same in the Toyota Aygo, also the Citroën and the Peugeot. It's the same engine, it's the same car, just look a little different in the front. So yeah, this is how you change it. Air filter for the engine. Easy. Just run out and buy one and change it. If you don't know when it's done last time, you save your money back on fuel, and it's better for your engine. Save the engine too. So thank you. Please subscribe to the channel. Please come back and see more videos. I'm going to service more on this car. I'm going to change the oil, spark plugs, and the coupe filter, the filter for clean air into the car. So I'll make a small video about all of them, so you can come and see. And then of course I have to clean up the things. Paper one in Norway, you have paper one place, plastic one place. So I have to take that one with me in, or I have one place outside here for putting away paper and then collecting plastic one place. And I'm finished now with this. The thing you should help me with is just put a like on the video, put a comment what else I should look for, if there's something I can do with the car, and then yeah, start to like the channel. Please subscribe.